Traveling alone can be amazing. The freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want, is truly liberating. You're free to explore at your own pace, follow your own interests, and dive deep into the culture of each new place you visit. It's a unique opportunity to really get to know yourself, to reflect on your life, and to grow in ways you never imagined. But sometimes, it can feel a little lonely. The quiet moments can be both a blessing and a curse. You might miss sharing those special travel moments with someone. The laughter, the shared awe, the mutual discovery. Don't worry, making friends on the road is easier than you think. It's all about being open and approachable. It's all about putting yourself out there and being open to new experiences. Join group tours, participate in local events, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. This guide is packed with tips and real-life examples to help you connect with awesome people on your solo adventures. From hostels to local meetups, there are countless ways to make connections. Get ready to turn those strangers into lifelong travel buddies. Imagine the joy of sharing your journey with new friends who become like family. It's time to ditch the fear of solo travel and embrace the joy of meeting new people. Let's dive in and discover the world together.
So why bother making friends while traveling solo? Isn't the point to be alone? Well, yes and no. While solo travel is about independence, it's also about enriching your experiences. Friends make everything more fun. Imagine watching a beautiful sunset, sharing a delicious meal, or exploring a hidden gem. It's always better with someone by your side. Plus, new friends can offer a fresh perspective on the places you visit. They might know cool local spots, speak the language, or have travel tips you wouldn't find in any guidebook. Most importantly, these connections can turn into lifelong friendships. The shared memories and adventures create bonds that are truly special.
If you're serious about finding travel buddies, hostels are where it's at. Forget those stuffy hotel rooms. Hostels are buzzing with like-minded solo travelers from all walks of life. Start by hanging out in the common areas. Grab a book, strum a guitar, or simply strike up a conversation with someone. You'll be surprised how easy it is to find people heading in the same direction or sharing similar interests. Many hostels organize events like walking tours, pub crawls, or game nights, which are perfect for breaking the ice. Don't be shy. Jump right in and let the friendships blossom.
Joining a group tour, even for a day trip, is another fantastic way to meet people. Choose something that genuinely interests you, whether it's a historical walking tour, a foodie adventure, or a thrilling outdoor excursion. You'll automatically have something in common with the other participants, giving you a natural starting point for conversations. Plus, tours often involve smaller groups, allowing for more personal interactions and shared experiences. Remember, you don't have to stick with the group the whole time. Use it as a springboard to connect with individuals and maybe continue exploring together afterwards.
Section 5. Apps and Sites, your digital travel companions. In today's digital age, there's an app for everything, including making friends while traveling. Platforms like Backpacker, Travel Buddies, and Tourlina connect you with fellow travelers based on your location, interests, and travel dates. These apps can be incredibly useful for finding someone to grab a coffee with, share a meal, or even team up for a day of sightseeing. You can chat beforehand, get a feel for their personality, and ensure you're a good match. Social media platforms are also great for connecting with travelers. Join travel groups, participate in discussions, and don't hesitate to reach out to people visiting the same destinations.
Section 6. Local events. Immerse yourself in the culture. One of the best ways to connect with people, both locals and fellow travelers, is by attending local events. These gatherings are the heartbeat of any community, offering a unique window into the traditions, values, and everyday life of the place you're visiting. Check out flyers at cafes, ask at your accommodation, or browse online event listings for festivals, markets, concerts, or workshops happening during your stay. Don't hesitate to ask locals for recommendations. They often know the best events that might not be widely advertised. These events provide a glimpse into the local culture and offer fantastic opportunities for spontaneous encounters. Whether it's a bustling market, a lively street performance, or or a traditional festival, each event is a chance to see the world through the eyes of the locals. Strike up conversations with people around you, ask questions, and be open to trying new things. Engaging with the community can lead to unforgettable experiences and deeper connections. You might find yourself learning a traditional dance, cooking a local dish, or even participating in a community project. You never know who you might meet: a fellow foodie at a street food market, a music lover at a concert, or a fellow art enthusiast at a gallery opening. These interactions can enrich your travel experience, making it more meaningful and memorable. So, dive in, be curious, and let the local culture inspire you.
Section 7. A smile and an open mind, your best assets. While all these tips are helpful, the most important tools for making friends while traveling are free. A genuine smile and an open mind. Remember, everyone is a potential friend you haven't met yet. Be approachable, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to initiate conversations. A simple hello or a question about their travels can go a long way. Approach every interaction with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Embrace differences, be respectful of other cultures, and you'll find that connections happen naturally.
Section 8. Stories from the road, my encounters with friendship. Over the years of solo travel, I've had countless encounters that blossomed into friendships. Each journey has been a tapestry of unique experiences, woven together by the people I've met along the way. I remember once, while hiking in Nepal, I met a group of fellow trekkers from all corners of the globe. We were strangers at first, but the shared challenge of the trek brought us together. We ended up hiking together for days, sharing stories, laughter, and breathtaking views. The bond we formed was as strong as the mountains we climbed, and those memories are etched in my heart forever. Another time, while exploring the bustling markets of Marrakesh, I struck up a conversation with a local shopkeeper who invited me for tea. It was an unexpected invitation that I eagerly accepted. We spent hours chatting about life, culture, and everything in between. His stories gave me a deeper understanding of the local way of life, and I left with a newfound appreciation for the richness of Moroccan culture. It was a humbling experience that taught me the power of human connection. These moments of genuine interaction have been the highlights of my travels. These encounters, big and small, have enriched my travels in ways I could never have imagined. They have shown me that the essence of travel is not just about the places you visit, but the people you meet along the way. They've reminded me that the world is full of kind, interesting people just waiting to be discovered. Every person has a story, and every story adds a new dimension to the journey. As I reflect on these friendships, I realize that they have shaped me into the person I am today. They have taught me empathy, kindness, and the beauty of human connection. And so, with every new adventure, I look forward to the friendships yet to be made, knowing that each one will bring its own unique magic to my journey.
Section 9. The magic of shared experiences. Creating lasting memories. The beauty of making friends while traveling lies in the shared experiences. These chance encounters can lead to some of the most memorable moments of your journey. Imagine getting hopelessly lost in a foreign city, only to stumble upon a hidden gem with your newfound travel buddy. Or picture yourself conquering a challenging hike, supporting and encouraging each other every step of the way. These are the moments that make travel so special. They become stories you'll reminisce about for years to come, reminding you of the incredible people you met along the way.
Section 10. Overcoming fears and embracing the unknown. Putting yourself out there and talking to strangers can be intimidating, especially when you're in a new environment. But remember, everyone feels a little awkward at first. The key is to start small. Strike up conversations with people at your hostel, join a group activity, or simply ask for directions. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Embrace the possibility of rejection. Not every interaction will lead to a lifelong friendship, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep putting yourself out there and enjoying the journey.
Section 11. Go forth and connect, the world awaits. So, There you have it. Making friends while traveling solo is not only possible, it's an incredibly rewarding experience that can transform your journey. Remember to choose social accommodations, join group tours, use apps, attend local events, and most importantly, approach every interaction with a smile and an open mind. The world is full of incredible people waiting to connect. Don't let the fear of being alone hold you back from experiencing the joy of shared adventures. Go forth, embrace the unknown, and create memories that will last a lifetime.